Hello and welcome to The Night of the Sleepy Panda. So, interesting piece this. It's as the name would suggest, it's in an oriental style because pandas are often associated with China, parts of the Far East. And the whole thing's composed on what we call a pentatonic scale, which, simple way of thinking of it is just a piece composed entirely using the 5 black notes. So pentatonic means 5, and there are other pentatonic scales. So in fact, D, E, G, A, B is a pentatonic, giving you the same sort of sound. But this one is all set onto the black notes. So you'll notice if you look at the key signature, you've got 5 sharps in there. And the order of the sharps is Father Christmas gave Dad an electric blanket. So you need the first 5 of those, F, C, G, D, A, Father Christmas gave Dad an. However, when you get down to it, there are 5 main black notes. So basically everything in this piece is going to be based on those notes. There are some white notes they could write, but they haven't written them. They basically stuck to these 5 black notes in the piece. So we're counting in 3s. Andante cantabile. So andante is a nice walking speed, and cantabile is in a singing style, which just basically means very legato and smooth and flowing. Going to have a little look at the right-hand melody first of all. There's some pedaling to go in this, but let's just look at the right-hand melody first of all. So for our fingering, really simple. For most of the piece, certainly for all of the first page, just put your thumb on there so those 5 notes for there, okay? So your first note is, let's have a little look at the music. So make sure you work for the music. It starts on C, remember that'll be C sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, F sharp, D sharp, G sharp, A sharp, F sharp, D sharp, C sharp, and that one is a tie. Note the difference between a slur and a tie. A slur is when the curved line is going over or under a group of notes that are changing, whereas a tie will be going quite definitely between 2 notes that are the same pitch. So that's just a long note that just gets played the once. This is all telling you to play beautifully and smoothly in here. So please do work for your music as we do this. Don't just memorise everything. But the first section here, so you're going to start with your thumb here. We're counting in 3s, 3, 4, 3 crotchets. So it's like this. It goes 1, 2, 3, 1. Then you go up. Now this time come down on the F sharp and end on the D sharp. So see if you can match up what I've just played with what's in your music. So the first 2 bars go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you release because it's the end of a phrase, and then you go little finger, second this time, ending on the 2. Okay, so see how I broke those 2 phrases. So the first one, this is all legato. And before I play the next phrase, I just release it slightly so we get a separate phrase. Next phrase, G sharp, up, F sharp, D sharp, and you hold that for 2 bars. Okay, so that second line started on the G sharp, went up, came onto the F sharp, and down, and down. Okay, so I'm going to try that again. So it's 2, 3. 2, 3. Now normally I would just take that and maybe start looking at the left hand straight away, but I'm actually just going to do the next bit because it's very, very similar. So this is line 3, you'll see is the same as line 1. So this is all the same. Here's the next bit. Now last line starts the same, but instead of going down, you just go up one, and that's the only difference. And you've got the whole of the first page. What else should I say? Mezzo piano, moderately quiet. I was maybe a little bit loud there, especially on this piano, which really sort of lets out quite a lot of sound. So I'm just going to soften it up a little bit. 2, 3. 2, 3. And you hold for another 3. Third line. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. So there we go, that's all of the right hand. So I'm just going to make that this first video, just about getting that right hand bit. And then next video, we're going to tackle the left hand part and then move very swiftly from there into bringing it hands together.